Hi students, today we are going to see the 7th standard, term 2, prose, unit 1, adventures of Don Quixote. First we can see the question answers. First question is, what kind of book did John Quixote like to read? What were those books like? The answer is in the page number 83. Don Quixote loved to read about knights. The books were about courageous knights and the incredible adventures they had. Second question, what effect do the things Don Quixote reads have on him? The answer is on the first page of the lesson. Don Quixote was so absorbed in these stories that he hardly remembered to eat or sleep. Third question, why didn't Don Quixote believe Sancho Panza when Sancho told him that ogres were actually windmills? The answer is in the page number 86. Don Quixote thought that Sancho Panza was afraid of ogres, so he did not believe Sancho Panza. Question number 4. Why do you think Sancho continued to journey on with Don Quixote after the windmill incident? The answer I have written in the page number 88. Sancho Panza was loyal to Don Quixote. He wanted to protect his master from harm, so he continued to be with him. Question number 5. When Don Quixote sees the cloud of dust on the plain in the distance, what does he think causes it? Fifth answer is I have written on the page number 88. Don Quixote thought that a prodigious army was marching in their direction. He thought the clouds of dust was raised by the army. Question number 6. Sancho sees two clouds of dust, leading him to conclude that there are two armies. What does Don Quixote think will happen next? The answer I have written on the page number 90. Don Quixote thinks that the two armies would close in on him. Seventh one, what is the reaction of the shepherds when they see that Don Quixote is attacking their ship? Answer, the shepherds pelted stones on Don Quixote. Then he was injured. Now we are coming for the exercises, book back exercises. Also homophones is given. Homophones are two kinds that are spelled differently but have the same sound. Explain the differences between these words by making sentences. One is done for you. See. Can you see the birds flying over the sea? Night. The night likes to fight at night. Right. Ravi will write the right answer. Arms. The man in arms gives alms to the beggar. Fair. The fair girl pays the fare. Here. Just I have changed. See that I have given the arrow mark. I heard that a herd of elephants entered our field. I heard that a herd of elephants enter our field. Here, if you come here, you can hear me. If you come here, you can hear me. Eighth one, I shall come to our office in an hour. No, I know no one in this area. I know no one is in the area. Not. She could not loosen the knot. Read the following sentences. Write the meaning of the utilized words. One is done for you. Okay, the wound is wound and wound is given. Wound, injury, past tense of when. Third one, fair, beautiful, and fair exhibition. The woodcutter saw the huge saw in a dream. Saw, looked at, past tense of see. Saw a tool for cutting woods. Write the right answer on the right side. Right, correct, right opposite to the left side. The well was dug by a well-known king. Well, a pit dug in the earth for water. Well, famous, familiar. Two words, two meanings are given. Sixth one, we have march, past in March. Walk with regular step. This March is the third month of the year. Can you get me a can? Can, a modal auxiliary verb. It's a verb. This can is a vessel for liquid. Eighth one, how long will the fish live without food? What is a live or life? An adjective that shows that it has life. Live is a verb which means exist. Eighth one, she has tears in her eyes as she tears. Taz old photo. Yeah, just its pronunciation is different. We won't say Taz for the liquids. The liquid come from our eyes. That is tears, drops of liquid from the eyes. Taz pull out. That is Taz, pulls apart with force. 10th one, I will be second in line if I wait one more second. Second, an order next to first. Second, a short time. Now it's given the syllable. You want to divide the syllable. Adventure, courageous, courageous, incredible, night, one syllable, that 3 syllable, and hilarious, 4 syllables. Excitement, 3 syllables. Patient is 2 syllable. Imagine, 3 syllables. Shepherd, 2 syllables. Entreat, 2 syllables. Study well, students. Thank you.